Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli.
We are giving this government 14 days to react. If they don't respond, we are going to take over this country peacefully so.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe limashele endlini zombuso ePitoli ngenhloso yokuphoqa umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ukubehle esikhundleni sakhe kulandela insolo emayelana nokuqambukela kwamaqembu egelekeqe emsebenzini weSouth African Police Service.
Ngibhizike ngiyayibuka lezi insolo okuthiwa zikhona futhi sengiyiphendulile sengiyayipolisha nje.
Ongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osahlabe ikhefu emsebenzini wakhe osenza umchunu uthi ukulungela ukuyiphendulela izinsolweni ezenziwe umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Honestly, she is blatantly and clearly evading accountability here, and we see this.
Amalungu ekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekela umnyango wezemfundo ephakeme bengeneme ngemva kokuzwa ukuthi ungqongqoshe walomnyango uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane ngeke avele phambi kwalo namhlanje.
We don't look for ideal conditions to play. We use any conditions that we know, and they've been strumming against Ox.
Iqembu lesizwe lebhola lombhoxo amabhokobhoko linokuyithemba ngaphambi kombhekana neGeorgia kusasa emidlalweni ozobanjelwa enkundleni iMbombela esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Iqembu iMK selinikele enkantolo enkulu kunazo zonke kulelizwe njengoba lingahambisani nesinqumo sikaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa owathi ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa akathi ukuhlaba ikhefu ngemva kwezinsolo ezishaqisayo ezivela kumkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal. Leli qembu lithi uMengameli wenze okuphambene nomthethosisekelo wezwe kanti lifuna nokuthi kuchithe ukuqokwa kukaSolwazi uKhachalia njengebamba likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kulelizwe.
I-MK Party ifake amaphepha asenkantolo namhlanje ibiqhubeka nemashi yayo yethule uhlu lwezikhalo ezindlini zombuso. Leli iqembu lisola uMengameli Ramaphosa ngokuthi uvikela ungqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu eyinsolweni ezibucayi zokuqambukela ekusebenzeni kombutho wamaphoyisa eyibekwe obala umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ngaphandle nje kokuthi sebenikele enkantolo yomthethosisekelo, i-MK Party songe lokuchitha ngevoti ePhalamende uMengameli.
We are giving this government 14 days to react. If they don't respond, we are going to take over this country peacefully so. We are going to take over this country by protesting. We are going to vote him out in Parliament. We are going to take him to the Constitutional Court.
Babekele uMengameli Ramaphosa umnqamula juqu wokwesula esikhundleni nokuthi axoxe ngokusheshsha ungqongqoshe umchunu onikezwe umhlaba khefu.
We therefore demand the following: an immediate resignation of Cyril Ramaphosa. Number 2, immediate arrest for those that are implicated in criminality as per Mkhwanazi's statement. The immediate firing of Senzo Mchunu. Abamxoshe.
Nezinhlangano ezahlukene zomphakathi beziqhubha imashi efanayo enkabeni yedolobha ePitoli yokweseka uMkhwanazi.
The president knows and he knew everything that General Mkhwanazi said because he gets intelligence briefings in his office on a regular basis. So there is no way that the president did not know about the criminality within the SAPS and which involves politicians as well.
Uhlu lwezikhalo zemashi lwamukelwe izikhulu ezimbili eziqashwe ehhovisi likaMengameli wezwe.
Idlanzana labantu libuthane eKapa esifundazweni iWestern Cape embhikishweni okweseka umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Leli qembu elibizwa ngokuthi Put South Africa First lithi lizoqhubeka nokweseka uhulumeni ongenayo inkohlakalo lihambisa uhlu lwezikhalo esishayamithetho sesifundazwe iWestern Cape.
Abaqhankqalazi bathi bafuna urhulumente olucocekileyo baqithise uqwebu lwezikhalazo kumthunywa weofisi yenkulumbuso ephondo besithi luqwebu lwabantu boMzantsi Afrika eliqela likhala ngelithi urhwaphilizo nozenzo zolwaphulo mthetho ezithe tshitshilili kumacandelo namasebe karhulumente maziphele nya.
abantu abasiphethe abakwiposition eziphezulu bayona njengoba besona nje akho sigweba abasifumanayo bona. So thina sizi-citizens singabahlali sidinwe ilonto yokubukela abantu abasikhokhelayo. Phofu ke aba bantu bazimele ngetikiti babazi inkokheli zethu. Xa sithi ubajonga thina imigulukudu le. So thina ngosabahlali sidinwe sithi hayibo le migulukudu imasquerade ezi-leaders zethu ikwayiyo le yenza into ezirongo. Sithi asizuhlala sibukele lonto yilonto libangabantu abasiphakama.
Umthunywa we-ofisi yenkulumbuso u-Alan Windi wamkele uxwebhu lwezikhalo ethembisa ukuligqithisa.
I think the critical thing to understand and to respect is that crime levels have reached unacceptable levels in our country. And as public representatives, it is critically important to listen to their cries and their pleas and to ensure that action is taken.
Umbutho iPut South Africa First uthi makumiselwe indlela ezingqongqo zokuqubisana norhwaphilizo. Thandiswa Mawu wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Amaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal athi sekuvulwe ikhasi la ku-Facebook elumbombayi elibhaliswe ngokhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni. Kuvele isitatimende ngalamakhasi embumbule einkundleni zokuxhumana okuthiwa evile kwa-16. Okhulumela amaphoyisa kulesi sifundazwe uKenel Robert Nechiwunda uthi abantu basungulela amakhazi ukuze bafeze inhloso zabo.
The Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal will also like to plead with members of the public to refrain from using his photographs during various politically aligned marches, especially those against the state president. Although the Provincial Commissioner appreciates the support that the people have shown towards the work of the police in KwaZulu-Natal, the use of his photographs and names on posters and banners during marches has the potential of sending unintended messages to government officials, and the international community. The Provincial Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal is against crime and criminals, not leaders in government.
Amalungu ekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele umnyango wezemfundo ephakeme bengeneme ngemuzwa kokuzwa ukuthi ungqongqoshe walomnyango uDokotela uNobuhle Nkabane ngeke avele phambi kwalo namhlanje. uNkabane kanye nezinye ikhulu eminyangweni wakhe babizelwe ukuthi bavele ngaphambi kwamalungu aleli komiti ukuze bachaze kabanzi ngohlelo lwasetshenziswa ukuqoka ithimba elimele lalabo abanika umsebenzi wokuhlunga nokuqoka osihlalo bebhodi lamasitha.
Wemfundo ephakeme uDokotela Nobuhle Nkabane usolwa ngokudukisa iPhalamende malungana nohlelo lokuqokwa kozihlalo bebhodi lamasitha. Emasontweni edlule uNkabane wathi uAdvocate Terry Mutawu ngusihlalo wethimba elalibhekele ukuqokwa kwaleli bhodi, kodwa uMutawu uyachitha ukuthi wake wabamba iqhaza kulolu hlelo.
The question was that statement truthful by the minister on the 17th? No, it was not truthful.
Did the minister lie?
The lawyer in me would want to give the minister a benefit of a doubt to explain whatever it is that she did. But if what I'm saying is true, what the minister said is not true. In other words, they can't both reside or they can't both coexist.
I don't know whether she lied. I don't think I'm in a better position to say she lied or she did not lie. But I did clarify my role. I don't think I will be doing justice to the honorable members to say what I don't know.
Kazanga libhade ePhalamende namhlanje njengoba ecele ukuthi umhlangano uqhubeke ngoLwesibili oluzayo.
In this process is not only a spit in our faces, because it's a waste of our time, but it's also a spit in the faces of the people of this country who depend on a ministry that's going to function properly, with a minister who understands their role as far as integrity is concerned and as far as conducting the affairs of ministry honestly. She is blatantly and clearly evading accountability here, and we see this.
Sihlehliswa lumsombuluko zayo isicelo sebail sowesifazana obhekene necala lokusoconga indodana yakhe bineminyaka e-10 uJaden Lee Meek. uTiffany Nicole Meek wakhalelwa amasungo kaSigonyela ngesonto eledlule.
Izakhamuzi zaseFlayoff kanye nezishoshovu zinquma ukunikela enkantolo ziyozibonela ngawazo isicelo sebail sika Meek nosolwa ngokubulala indodana yakhe. uMeek usamile kwelokuthi umsulwa emacaleni abekwa wona, kanti nasestatementeni esifungelwe esifundwe ummeli wakhe kuyavela lokhu.
I fail to understand how I could be charged with the murder of my son when I was the person fighting for answers from the police and doing everything possible to ensure that my child's killer and/or killers were found and arrested.
Uthi uyasola ukuthi umbuso umninda ngobubende inyama engayidlanga ukuze leli cala liyamaniswe nelika Jocelyn Smith.
On the 4th of July 2025, both Rihaduddin and Leandro Meek, Jaden's biological father, was taken to Pretoria Cybercrimes Department to have the contents of their phones downloaded. To date, Rihaduddin's mobile phone has not been returned to him. It is evident that the state is trying to make this case out to be like the Jocelyn Smith matter and are trying to implicate me and the people closest to me.
Umndeni walapho kwakushadele khona uMick unxusa umphakathi ukuba unikeze umndeni ithuba lokubhekana nalesigameko.
I'm going to say that a lot of what was put in the bail statement is something that we don't agree with. You know, we stand firm on what our beliefs are. And, you know, I would like to ask everybody just to stick with us, give us the support, the continuous support that we've been receiving from everybody. We are very humbled, we are very blessed.
Icala lihlehiselwe umsombuluko wesonto elizayo kanti kulindeleke ukuba umbuso uphikise isicelo sebheyili.
Mbukile sathi qoyitolo kanti mama besibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi.
The Nelson Mandela Foundation expresses profound thanks to this body for allowing us this unique opportunity to address you on Nelson Mandela International Day.
Inhlangano yezizwe ibibambe umcimbi wokukhumbula iqhaza likalowo wabengumengameli wezwe uNelson Mandela njengoba umhlaba wonke jikelele ububungaza usuku lokuzalwa kwakhe namhlanje. Asibingelela sikwamukele mbukeli uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi iqembu umkhonto wesizwe limashele endlini zombuso ePitoli ngenhloso yokuphoqa umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ukube esule esikhundleni sakhe kulandela insolo ezimayelana nokuxambukela kwalamaqembu egelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. Mbukela sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomjalo bazo uma nje siqeda ukuyisakaza. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osahlabe ikhefu Senzomchunu uthi umsulwa yena kulezi insolo abhekene nazo nokuyinsolo ezavezwa ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Themba futhi engakhathazekile ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzomchunu ngesikhathi ethamele umcimbi wokubungaza usuku lukaDokotela uNelson Mandela. Umchunu wethule inkulumo phambi kwamalungu e-ANC ukukhumbula uMadiba. Ungqongqoshe umchunu uthe yena umsulwa waziphika zonke izinsolo ezibhekiswe kuyena wathi usekulungele ukubeka uhlangothi lwakhe. Umchunu uthi ikomishana ezokuphenya kabanzi ngalezi insolo ezibhekiswe kuyena isona isicabo esifanele sokuthola amaqiniso.
Giredi ukuchaza elami side and ngizophendula.
Umchunu ukuphikile ke ukuthi wasenga ezimithiyo eParliament ngesikhathi ebuzwa ngosomabhizinisi uBrown Mokhosi.
Ngiyacabanga nje ngiyasola ukuthi khona into abangayizwanga kahle abantu noma bangayiboni kahle kodwa ngiyayichaza lapha njengoba ngiwumsolo ngizoyibeka kahle ngononene ukuthi inkulumo yami ngoba inevideo lento ibhaliwe.
Ungqongqoshe umchunu uthi uyalwamukela uphenyo lwamaphoyisa kulandela ukuvulelwa icala amaqembu ezombusazwe ekubalwa kuwo iDemocratic Alliance neqembu umkhonto wesizwe party.
Ngibhizike ngiyayibuka lezi insolo okuthiwa zikhona futhi sengiyiphendulile sengiyayipholisha nje.
Umchunu uthi uzokuphendula imibuzo athumelelwe yona ikomiti leParliament ngalolu daba ngoLwesibili. Kusenjalo iANC esifundeni iMusa Dladla ithi iyameseka umchunu futhi iyakhulelwa ukuthi umsulwa. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya kwezindaba zeSABC ngisempangeni.
Inhlangano yezizwe iUnited Nations ithi kufanele kuqhutshekwe lapho akagcina khona lo wabengumengameli wokuqala wentando yabantu ubaba uNelson Mandela. Le nhlangano isho lokhu njengoba ibibungaza usuku lokuzalwa kwakhe.
Today we celebrate one of the towering figures of our time, Nelson Mandela. We honor his courage, his leadership in the struggle for freedom.
Unobhala jikelele walenhlangano yezizwe uthi kufanele kuqhutshekwe lapha agcina khona uMandela njengoba wayengumuntu ogqugquzela ukuthula nofuna ukuthi kuhlezi kunobulungiswa.
Madiba's extraordinary life was a triumph of the human spirit. He endured the brutal weight of oppression and emerged not with a vision of vengeance and division, but of reconciliation, peace and unity. Today, Madiba's legacy is now our responsibility. We must carry forward this commitment to peace, justice and human dignity.
Usihlalo wenhlangano Nelson Mandela udlulise ukubonga enhlanganweni yezizwe ngokubungaza lolu suku lika Nelson Mandela.
The Nelson Mandela Foundation expresses profound thanks to this body for allowing us this unique opportunity to address you on Nelson Mandela International Day. President Mandela had an enduring appreciation for the bold role the United Nations played in advancing South Africa's liberation struggle. The UN steered us to freedom, stood against apartheid domination, not through arms, but through bringing its undeniable moral weight into combat against injustice.
Inhlangano yezizwe igcizelelile ukuthi ababaningi abayoyinikela ekusebenzeleni izwekazi njengoba enza uMandela.
Umzukulu kaDokotela Nelson Mandela undileka uqaqula ukuthi kuba uMadiba usawadla anhlamvana ubengekajabule ngesimo sezwe samanje.
Uhulumende wephondo uphawule usuku iMandela Day ngokuvula imuseum kwisikolo wayesayo kufunda kuso eHilltown. Usapho lwakhe lukholelwa ukuba kuninzi kufuneka kwenziwe mayelana nomba wokusiwa kwenkonzo zengundoqo eluntwini.
Zikhona izinto uhulumende azenzile kakuhle. Xa uthi ujonga apha ezilalini, xa uhamba ebusuku uyabona uba kulayitiwe yonke indawo. Ewe leyo siyayincoma uba uhulumende ukwazi ukuyenza. Kodwa apho angakwazanga ukwenza khona kukuba abantu abaphuhlise inkonzo sizifumani kakuhle ezamanzi, inkonzo zempilo nezikolo azikho right.
Ukanti abasemagunyeni kwiNelson Mandela Museum bagxeke kabukhali umba wenkokheli ezingohlohle sakhe.
Umbutho bekholose nguwo uKrazukile. Ufuna inkokheli ezakwazi umamela abantu, inkokheli ezizakwazi uhlonipha abantu, inkokheli ezizakwazi ukucinga, inkokheli ezakwazi into yokubana zi-address sibe honest.
Kusenjalo urhulumente wephondo uyawazibophelela ekuqwalaseleni imiba ejongene noluntu jikelele njengewonga ngakuMadiba.
Thina sonke sizinkokheli ezikurhulumente neenkokheli ezisemibuthweni ekumele ukuba ke sicinge nzulu ukuba into na eshiwe nguba uMandela apha eshiyela thina. Zezibindawo thina esisilele kuzo ukwenzela uba sizokwazi ke ngokukwenza ngcono.
Abongile Yankis kwiindaba ze-SABC eHilltown.
Iqembu lomdanso lakulelizwe iMario Gomes Hip Hop Dance Academy linqobe izindondo zegolide eziyishumi-3 nezesiliva eziyishumi-2 kanye nezinhlanzi zethusi emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba emdansweni nokuwumqhudelwano obuseSpain phesheya kwezilwandle.
We were quite surprised. So after tallying all the results, South Africa came top as being the #1 street dance country.
Ebengaphezu kwamashumi ayisithupha amazwe abekhona kulo mqhudelwano womdanso obuseSpain nokuyilaphela kuleli lenze khona ezibukwayo. Oqeqesha leli iqembu lakuleli elidansayo uthi baye kulo mqhudelwano bengazi njengeNingizimu Afrika ukuthi bazomukelwa kanjani.
The biggest thing is, so this competition brings dance from all across the globe. There was 51 countries, and it's all the different dance styles from jazz, modern, ballet, tap, but we represented in the street dance, hip-hop category. And literally, the first day, you must understand, coming from South Africa, you don't know how they're going to accept us or are we doing the right thing. So when we took the stage and our kids crew won the first gold, I remember even shooting a video with LeClaw and we just burst in tears because we couldn't believe it.
Qembu uthi indlela azizwa ngayo njengoba benqobile akusiyona indlela elulu kuba ingachazeka.
It's
I couldn't be more thankful for the opportunity, be more thankful for the studio for, giving us the chance to do what we love on a world stage and really showcase what we love and showcase what we want to do for the rest of our lives.
Bengaphezu kweinkulungwane eziyi-120 abebebukela lo mqhudelwano.
Iqembu lesizwe lebhola lombhoxo wamabhokobhoko linokwethemba ngaphambi kokubhekana neGeorgia kusasa emidlalweni ozobanjelwa enkundleni yaseMbombela esifundazweni eMpumalanga.
Amabhokobhoko azobe ebheka ukulawula umdlalo wawo neGeorgia kusasa njengoba benza ngesikhathi eBhen namaNtaliyane ngempela sonto edlule. Amabhokobhoko aqoka ukudlalisa abadlali abasha phambili abangakaze badlale.
We don't look for ideal conditions to play. We use any conditions that we know, and they've been struggling against Ox in the week, Malcolm and all of them, so that's already tough enough. We try and make trainings as tough as possible. That's why the coaches are able to rotate players and give players opportunities.
Abaqeqeshi bamabhokobhoko bawulangazelele lo mdlalo neGeorgia.
Take pride on how we do things when it comes to physical side of the game and our set pieces, and even from the beginning of the year, we said we even though we're still #1 in the world, we still want to build our game and keep getting better, because we can't be too comfortable with where we are. A lot of teams, we know they're going to be desperate to come after us, and so the key thing for us is to just keep on improving on how we want to play the game.
Lo mdlalo uzoqala ngemzuzu eyishumi emva kwehora lesihlanu ntambama kusasa.
Mbokela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbogeli usale kahle.